silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are in positive MACD. We're at overbought levels with the RSI. We have broken above the 200 moving average, this green line, and that is at a price of $22.22. With the 4-hour chart, we are about to approach to positive MACD, and we're nearing overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD, but we're seeing signs of a converge. We're off of oversold levels with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV. My position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry is at $19.38 for my long position. My sell target is at $20.84. My stop loss is at $18.97. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $21.44, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $19.81. My stop loss is at $21.90. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 42% chance to climb between 0 to 5.1%. To the downside, it has a 50% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5.1%, and 8% chance to fall between negative 5.1 to negative 10.1%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.